Good morning, guys. Good morning. What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube, Instagram? We'll start here in a little under a minute and a half, guys. Let everybody populate in. I'd play music for you, but Meta always boots me, even if I play royalty-free music, because Meta sucks. That's weird. What's my... Why is that doing that? Let's see if we can fix that shadow behind me. Questions, tickers, throw them in the comment box. It's getting weird to try to get rid of that weird shadow I've got behind me. See if that helps. Yeah, there we go. Technology. NQ's got a potential primary read, traders. Be a short. Close of this candle. Keep an eye on it. Short. All right. About 20 seconds, guys. If those questions are tickers in there, and we'll get to them. We will get to them. All right, guys, good morning. Happy July 7th, 7/7/26. It's Tuesday. As we get into our morning report, look, guys, we have my traders, we have a potential primary read short here. All right, so look, we had data today. I know Instagram, you can't see that. That's fine. Day was U.S. trade balance. The trade numbers means the trade imbalance is widening with the rest of the world, so the implications on that are neutral to down in indices and up in gold. All right, so that's what the numbers implications were today, so take it for what it's worth. The oscillators, NYMO was on the positive side. It's about 25. NAMO is 18. Positive, but nothing we're looking at yet. VIX just keeps dropping. There's no protection in the market. When this thing goes boom, it's going to go boom badly when there's no protection in the market. So watch this primary read here in NQ, guys. It's going to happen close of this candle, which there's your read. This is a 70-point trade. There are points into that low, so keep an eye on it. Let's see. Get ready to smash that market sell. I'll widen my brackets here so I can adjust them. Stop loss. We need to be above the VWAP. So 650. We're going to go 750. There you go. Oh, 29. Because I went on the sell side. There it is, guys. I got wide brackets right now because I'll mark it in and then I'll adjust them. Should be close of this candle. What do you look? So we have 18 seconds. If it signals here, which it should, you can short anywhere within the real body of this candle. Actually, that the close of the candle's probably entry. So just stand by. We'll see what we can get here. There it is. There's the primary read. So we're going to sell that. There you go, guys. We are short. Harsh, put that in the call outs. Counts, we're on live. All right. Well, Back to your regular scheduled programming. Hey, I'm just trying to trade with you guys. Screen not sharing on YouTube. Well, it shows I'm on YouTube, my friend. Oh, I see what you're saying. The hell? Oh, stand by. Hang on a second. I can fix that. There you go. We were making some adjustments to our broadcasting stuff, and I forgot to click a switch. Oh, that is weird. YouTube is way behind. That is bizarre. YouTube is minutes behind. All right, YouTube, we'll stand by. It's coming. We just shorted NQ, guys. Harsh, did you get that put in call-outs? All right, so let's go over the rest of the report here, guys. Give it a second, YouTube. It should start broadcasting. All right. Thanks for heads up, YouTube. ES, guys. We're long bias into the red box. You can this 7600 short was I hit this last night, caught 10 points on it. I was originally hunting 15, but I locked in 10, and then you see I got kicked out here. So that was a great short. And then RTY into all-time high. See this all-time high? This gold is the all-time high. We're going to hit resistance up there. You want to look at the underlying. What's the difference between rut? It's about 30. We'll see how it opens. But we might get a buy off of the VWAP touch into a 5-minute cross for a long if it wants to continue. Small caps have been benefiting from the rotation out of tech, not text. And then we just took the trade in NQ. I was just doing math. So 100-point risk, 150-point reward. This is technically a 70-point trade. So I need to adjust it. So where'd I get in? I marked it at 625. So we're going to go 550. Right. Should be 25. So up would be, down would be, is it 25? All right. And then there you go. So it's a 70-point trade. I'm going to stay above that VWAP. Mind your own risk there. You guys could actually pull it down closer if you don't like the risk. I just picked 750. We're going to probably chop and channel here for a second. But this is the primary read level, right? Short. Evie, we're shorting the NAS. You believe that? Some of our traders don't believe you should ever short the NAS. Well, at least not since March 31st. YM is bullish as shit, guys. Man, look at this thing. Just go. Next primary read long. We actually tapped the level with that wick, but we don't have a confirmed cross. Might be able to catch a secondary read on the 1-minute time frame. Yeah, that would be here. It won't signal unless momentum changes. So guys, but keep an eye on it for you YM traders. If you get the bullish momentum, you could take this for 45 to 50. I'll wait. I think a super strong trade. I don't know that we'll see it. It's probably too far away. Because look, do you know why? Does anybody know why YM stopped right there? These are some of the things I teach in my war room. I'll tell you why. DJI is hitting the top of the box resistance, right? This is the underlier. You got to know that the underlier, even though we're in the middle of nowhere, is priced at the resistive box. Guys, come to my VIP. I'll teach you all this stuff. It'll change your trading life. You know what? We take losses. Yeah, we do. We take a lot of wins. But how would you do by yourself? How are you doing by yourself? Exactly my point. All right. So gold, Started hitting resistance again at 4,200. We may sell off, but what you got to watch here, I think the resistance isn't 4,200. I think it's the top of the box, because look at the point spread between the underlier and it's 11 points. So when gold futures hits 42.11, the underlier hits 4,200. There may be some mean reversion shorts in here, but we'll see. I think they're weaker now. All right, we'll keep an eye on that as we go. But the next long, well, I get to pull back, VWAP, and bounce up, or give me a 1 minute or a 5 minute cross. So for the primary read. And finally, well, that's it. I want to make sure I give you guys time. So questions, tickers, throw them out there. Let's see what you got. Can we take the secondary read on 1 minute on gold? Yeah, for sure. Just know you're going to be heading into the box. Just be aware of that. Let me see. If you get a second read on gold, I love when my traders learn what I do and teach it and then see it. Yeah, so right above. So 41.77 to 78, you can take that for probably 5. So good luck. Second read is a 1 minute trade. We call it the second read. Yes, these terms, this system was built by me, nobody else, right? Student Alpha, primary read system. Nobody else built it. It's mine. All right, so let's see what else you have there. YouTube. Glad we got the charts fixed. Anybody grab that NQ trade? All right, so let's see. Instagram. Remember, guys, I'm here Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Top of the hour, so you can set an alert or click the link for, you know what? You can click the link for to be alerted. I'm just looking at my setup here. We made some adjustments. How's that look, Harsh, on the broadcast? Because we have the interview setting. I don't have my reaction setting. I don't have the standard setting. Matter of fact, I think we got rid of the standard setting. Might not be bad. We'll see. All right. Good morning, everybody. Remember today, guys, we have, I'll be in the war room here at 9:20 with my traders. And then at 10:45, my matrix users will have matrix trading. So we just extended trading time. Where not only do we trade, look for reads, but we, I teach what to see out of the matrix. Good thing your wife doesn't know you're here. You hiding from her? Belgrade, welcome. All right, guys, if you have, make sure, like, if you're trading an underlier, watch the futures volume. All right, that's a little more reliable because there is there's many underlier brokers, and there's only one broker for futures, so it's a little easier to tell. Yeah, NQ only goes up. So Falconero, what's your opinion on a footprint chart? Does it give you significant compared to candlesticks chart? A footprint chart. You know, honestly, I don't know it by that name. If you want to, I don't think you can send a screenshot here, but if you want to send me a screenshot in my free Discord, I'll take a look at it. I know that there's different settings you can do for your candles. You can do lines. You can do, you can change your shape and color of your candles. You can go to Japanese candlesticks. If I understand you correctly, maybe footprint chart would show you the volume within the candle, but you can let me know what that is. Yep, and Harsh just posted in there, guys. Today's the last day for the sale for our VIP and our Matrix, right? You get a big discount. The discount codes are in Instagram, right? Wow, that's interesting, Blaine. Hammy, that's a good question on NQ. Will it hold? We'll see. I mean, it is an NQ. If what might happen here if we get price lift. So I took this trade because it should be enough time before open, right? I don't like taking it right before open, but price could lift, get rejected. So we go into drawdown and then you get another primary read. Or if it's what NQ always does, regardless of bias, it could do that. Right? NQ loves to go straight up. No, just kidding. Sometimes it goes down. But really since March, look, guys, let me switch charts. Look at this. Can adjust this. There we go. This is the run since the end of March, just straight up. And now we're hitting some exhaustion. If you watch my weekend update, I put it out on my YouTube channel. We are now failing the all-time high anchored VWAP. I think we're going to hit this 28,300 level. Probably a significant test there, maybe a bounce. And then, guys, we will see this 26,000 level again. We will see it. I don't know if it's this week, next month, end of this year, but that level will be seen. Could be 2027, but that was such strong resistance that it is strong support that's never been tested. All right, so look at on Instagram there. I just posted the Student Alpha. Make sure you follow us there because we're going to migrate from this to that here in several months. So you want to make sure that you follow my backup account, the Student Alpha, so that you get these lives and information, because Meta sucks and has blocked me about on everything on this one. VPG chart. Let's look at it. Request for VPG. V-Shape Precision Group. I don't think I've ever charted this one. Okay, so if you've never charted one, man, Harsh, we don't have an Instagram set up. You see that? Give me a second. I'll chart it out. So I'm going to go back to the IPO price. We're going to set an anchored VWAP there. I like to make it white just so my colors are all the same. We want to find the all-time high, which is just recently. Now, I don't want to set it on that daily candle. What I'll do is I'll jump to the hourly. All right. I'm going to make it's this guy right here. We'll make that one red. Oops. Make this one red. Then let's go back to daily. Okay, so you can see the all-time high anchored VWAP is calculating there. You want to look at market structure first. It is declining in price. We have market structure support at 112. These multiple gaps at lower prices will form support also, 68 to 83, 85 to 92. But 100 is a key psychological price. This kind of looks like what? This is starting to look like the NASDAQ. Matter of fact, the run mirrors the NASDAQ. So without knowing much about this may be in the NASDAQ. Here's your catalyst news. I would wait for a discount here, see what happens at 110 or even 100. If you need more detailed information about that, level quadruple 8, you can go to my free Discord, link in my bio, and ask for a chart there, and I'll build it out for you with more detail. Blaine, any estimate on SQQ may go to if it hits 28,000? Well, probably. So one thing you can do here, now it's not an exact correlation because these ultra shares do split and decay, but the last split was, well, you can't see it on my chart, but it's back there. We need to, oh, wait a minute. There we go. Hey, I switched on you guys. That way you guys can see the chart better. Need a better driver, right? So this split is right here. But you want to see on June 9th, okay, it spiked to 46. So we want to look at the underlier on June 9th. What did it do? Okay, there you go. That's your estimation. Do you see how that level almost matches that level? So again, not an exact correlation, but close, Blaine. So if we hit that level, we'll probably rise to about 46 to 47. There you go, Blaine. Good question, though. That's a really good question. Mohammed, hey, Sean, what level do you think gold has to reach for gold miners to drop to good entry levels? Probably back, if for good entry levels, retesting 4,100 or 4,000. That 4,000 has proven to be really strong support, and then we had positive catalysts come in for gold. So if you get a retracement to 4,100 in gold, you can start sizing into gold miners again, or definitely 4,000. So, all right, guys, I got to bounce. My traders are waiting on me. So follow the Student Alpha on Instagram, my backup account. Click the link in my bio. We do have a discount. You can do your 7-day free trial, but we have a discount for using the matrix system that you see on my charts that I trade with. Look, we're in the money here, guys. Might make $7,000 trade. And then free Discord. I'll be back tomorrow, guys. Have a good one.